Bengaluru witnessed a powerful morning movement for farmers and agriculture today. An agri walk for the empowerment of farmers was successfully organized at Cubbon Park. Bengaluru, in connection with the upcoming International Trade Fair 2026. The walk began at 6:30 a.m. and brought together farmers, officials, students, and citizens, all walking with one message: support farmers, support the future of agriculture. The Agri Walk was flagged off by Karnataka Agriculture Minister N. Chaluvaraya Swamy. More than 600 participants joined the walk, all wearing special Agri Walk t-shirts, creating a strong visual symbol of unity and awareness. During the event, the minister also unveiled the official logo of the International Trade Fair 2026, marking the formal beginning of large-scale preparation for the event. Speaking at the Agri Walk, Minister Chaluvaraya Swamy said that preparations for the International Trade Fair have been going on for the last 2 weeks. He said that the Agri Walk was organized to create awareness and connect people with the farming community and agriculture development. The minister announced that more than 200 stalls will be set up at the trade fair. These stalls will directly benefit farmers through information on modern agricultural technology, machinery support, branding and marketing guidance, processing and value addition methods, exposure to agriculture-based innovation. He explained that the focus of the trade fair is not just cultivation but agriculture beyond production, empowering farmers through knowledge, technology, and market access. The Agriculture Minister also confirmed that top leaders will attend the International Trade Fair. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, Union Agriculture Minister Shivaraj Singh Chauhan. Their participation highlights the national importance of this agricultural event. International Trade Fair 2026 is going to happen at Tripuravasi Palace Ground, Bengaluru. The dates are February 6th, 7th, and 8th. And the sole purpose is farmer empowerment, agricultural innovation, technology support. Several senior officials participated in the Agri Walk, including Agricultural Commissioner Y.S. Patil, Director of Agriculture G.T. Putra, Principal Secretary Selva Kumar, Agriculture Commissioner Ashok Dalwai, Director of Watershed Development Banthanal, Director of Secretary Agriculture Venkat Raman Reddy, officials, staff of the Agriculture Department and children. Minister Chaluvaraya Swamy appealed to all farmers across Karnataka to make full use of the International Trade Fair. He encouraged farmers to attend, learn, connect and experts and benefit from the opportunities created through the event. The Agri Walk sent a clear message to society. Agriculture is not just farming, it is innovation, empowerment, dignity and the future of the nation. From Cubbon Park to the fields of Karnataka, today's agriculture walk became more than a walk. It became a movement for farmers, a voice for agricultural empowerment, and a symbol of hope for the future of Indian agriculture. This is not just an event, this is a step towards agriculture beyond cultivation and farmer empowerment beyond survival.